know your child shows more emotion to a video game character than to you, sad, but here's how to fix. Screen addiction is quietly stealing empathy and focus from our kids. Most solutions just add more digital noise, nothing else. But the real bridge back to emotional connection is IREADalot, a printable reading habit tracker you can download as a PDF from jamjames.com. No apps, no extra screen time, just IREADalot. Research proves kids who read physical books develop stronger emotional intelligence up to 40% more than their screen-addicted peers. Well, now you know.